asked him.
I
He said, yeah.
don't
He said, oh, all you gotta do is this and this and this.
Come
and
here,
this and this
sweetie.
and-
You get up here.
We'll put it like in a garage and ask them to come in and
You want to be in the movie?
welcome to Fenwick.
Okay.
Hope you had a good time.
Say hello.
It's a movie picture.
Say hi. Say something into the camera.
Say
My name is Riley.
They know.
What's
Say
your
yes.
favorite word? What do you want to go pick from the garden, honey?
Do you want to pick tomatoes?
Here, this will really freak you out.
Whoa!
You see yourself?
There you are. Wave.
So you better
There
say
you
something.
are. You
Who's
see
in there?
yourself?
He's shy.
Can you wave?
See, he paid railroad retirement week this morning.
Let me, look at this.
But then he was able to collect the social security.
See, that's me.
Who's that pretty baby?
I'm going to show them Grandma's herb garden right here. So go like this. Here's the herbs.
There's the herbs.
There's the herbs. This is herb 1 and herb 2.
And this is the tomato plant.
Tomato plants.
This is mine.
Who planted these?
Who planted these?
Grandma.
Grandpa.
Yeah, Grandma.
Have tomatoes on them in about another 2 weeks. These are the cherries. Is a good one. Some bell peppers. Cucumbers all over the place. Oh, there's a nice cucumber. There's some good ones. Nice peppers. You show them the peppers and the cucumbers. See? Yeah. What is that?
A cucumber.
Cucumber.
Ha!